this press briefing is fundamentally because of the series of cases of insecurity that we've recorded in Omuma local government area. And it has been a perennial problem. And so this morning, the leadership of Omuma local government area, APC, under Honorable Nyekachi Ojegba, decided to address the press. And so we think that this is the best platform to tell the world what we've been suffering in the past couple of years. We believe strongly that there is a complete breakdown of law and order in that local government area. We believe that that local government is not being policed at all. We believe that the Inspector General of Police must, as a matter of urgency, in order to save lives, because this is a save our soul call that we are making this morning. We believe the IGP must immediately set up a crack team to move into that local government area and weed off all the criminal elements that have found themselves and found their roots in that local government area. Whosoever is sponsoring them, we are not interested to know. But we know that they are all politically sponsored and politically motivated elements in that local government area. And so in order not to sound biased, we want an independent investigation. We have lost complete confidence in the local police in that local government area. And so we need the IGP to step in and listen to the cries of the people of that local government area and save them. Because as we speak, there is continuous threats of violence, threats of attacks in that local government area. Recall that sometime when the minister and leader of our party visited that local government area, sometime in 2021, April, we had a serious attack where properties were damaged, lives. We were close to losing somebody because somebody was stabbed and nothing happened up till date. And so even after then, we have also had other similar attacks. We have written, we have complained, and we feel that there is nothing possibly that the local police there can do for us. And so we are calling on the IGP to use his very good office to set up a crack team for investigation, to look into what is actually happening in that local government area, because the attacks are becoming so peculiar to that local government area. That is basically why this media briefing is called. I think that the leader is going to speak to specific issues as to what happened recently.
My name is Ojegba. I'm the leader of APC in Omuma local government. Yes, you have gotten the background. Omuma is unsafe for people of Omuma local government. Since 2 years now, we have been living with fear. The members of our party have been living with fear. It is difficult for we even to convey political meetings in Omuma local government. Most of the time, it costs us so much money in providing security, sometimes 4 vans of security, police security, to hold one ward meeting because of series of attacks. And we have written severally to the police DPO in charge of Omuma division. That place looks as if it's not even a police station. We have written to the CP, we have written to the DC. If anybody that cares to know, if you go to the DC of State CID, if we don't have petitions there, we have more than 17 petitions. Most of the times arrests are made, and before we know, they will release the person without any investigation. Most recent one, the governorship candidate of our party, Architect Pastor Toyeko, came to Omuma local government on 24th of August. We were ambushed. We were attacked. One of our member, SUV, was damaged beyond repair. We launched this complaint from the divisional headquarters of Omuma police station to Port Harcourt, where we ended up in SIB. The vehicle were parked at State SIB for 3 days for investigation. Arrest was made. We arrested some few persons. We went to court, but as I speak, that case died naturally. Even when the local government chairman came to the DC to sign undertaking that is, he will produce the people who were part of that attack, up to date, no arrests have been made. Saturday this week, our members went to door-to-door rally. On their way back, they were attacked, macheted. As I speak, 3 of them is hospitalized. We have launched a complaint to the DSS, Omuma chapter, to the DPO. Today, the same matter is before the DC. Arrests too have been made. We are afraid. We don't know what will happen next. The most worrying part today is the governorship campaign coming up on 6th this month, February. I have received so many calls, so many text messages threatening my life and the life of the legislature of my local government. They have threatened that we cannot hold that program, will not hold on 6th. And being part of the APC family in River State, as of today, we have told more than 8 local governments. We have never had any attack apart from few local governments. But I wonder why, in Omuma, 10 wards, one of these youngest local government in River State will have this high level of insecurity. I am calling on the Inspector General of Police because he says nothing is happening in our local government security-wise. We have cried and we are still crying. We have tried to make peace. We have tried to appeal, but he says nobody is listening to us. We call on the IG of Police, Director SS, all relevant authorities to come to our aid. That the planned program, the Constitution permits all political parties to hold their campaigns. Omuma has been fixed. The timetable is before the Commissioner of Police. Circulars has been circulated across all the security agents. But I'm still surprised why we are getting this threat of destruction in our campaign ground, planting bombs, coming to attack our governorship candidate on 6th. As a matter of urgency, we are appealing to general public, those who are friends, those who are in relation to the IG, or who knows him, to set up a tactical team independently that will come into Omuma. We want to assure them, if we have a good policing in Omuma local government, it will not take us 3 days to fish out the people who are perpetrating this evil. And we want to call that since other local governments have held their campaigns without any destruction, Omuma should be the same. We should be given equal opportunities to campaign. We should be given equal opportunity to talk to our people, so that at that very day of election, the people should decide who they want to put for. So this press conference is to tell the world, tell civil societies, tell the police, the DSS, the army, to come to the aid of Omuma local government. We are living in fear. The party is living in fear. There is no day that passes, there is no week that passes that you will not get a report of one issues as it concerns security in Omuma local government. The reports are there. That is why we call for this press interview. We are determined to receive our campaign train. I tell people that cares to hear, to know, I am a total Omuma man. Why do I say so? I came from Omoma local government. I married in Omoma local government. My mother is from there. My father is from there. My grandfather is from there. If anything happened to Omoma local government, there's no other place I will go. I don't have any other relation anywhere else. So if you deprive me of coming to Omoma, where will I go? So we are determined to receive our guests. As they have traveled far and near to other local governments, we are supposed to receive them. And that's why we are crying out. We are crying out for the world to hear that we are going on to receive our guests. And let them know, should in case this threat comes to pass, the Nigerian police should know who to go after, because already we have given them the pre-information before that.
Thank you. It's Charles Chibuzo-Weke. I am the coordinator of Omoma Campaign Council. We, as Omoma people, we are very much ready for our campaign. The rally that was set up for 6th of February, we are going to hold our campaigns. Despite the threats we have gotten from several calls that have been coming into our lines, nobody is more Omoma than each other. We are all Omoma people. And we decided not to take the law into our hands. That's why we are calling on the Inspector General of Police and Nigerians at large to come to our aid. We must hold our program. We are not going to boycott the program for any reason, because we are all Omoma people. So we are calling on the Inspector General of Police to assist in mobilizing the security to Omoma local government area. The DPU has failed, the local government has failed, everybody, all the security agencies in Omoma local government have failed us. And at this point, they cannot be in the payroll of PDP. I expect them to do anything for the other parties, because the instruction from the state already is that they should fight back at any time they are being attacked. And we are not ready to attack anybody, because we are not ready to take laws into our hands. We have been calling on God, we have been calling on all the well-meaning Nigerians to come to our aid. We are not going to take it lightly anymore, but we are still calling on the police to come and assist us for us to have a peaceful program. And that's why we are here.